The 1966 Pontiac GTO, an American muscle car icon, introduced the second generation with a sleek, aggressive restyling. Its powerful 389 cubic inch V8 engine could produce up to 360 horsepower with the optional tri-power system. Available in hardtop, coupe, and convertible, it catered to various preferences. The GTO's impressive interior featured bucket seats and a sporty dashboard. Notably, a GTO won the 1966 Daytona 24-hour race in the A production class, reinforcing its high-performance reputation.